If a quick share does not work for you on a Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, then in that case, first of all, we can open settings. Next, in settings, we want to proceed to connected devices. And then in here, we're gonna choose connection preferences. Now after that, we should be able to find the quick share option. And then we can go to who can share with you. And this is the first setting that we can, of course, manage. So you want to make sure that your visibility is, of course, enabled. And then you might want to adjust the visibility as well, because if you have contacts selected, then of course there is a chance that other devices might not be able to find your phone. So you might want to switch to everyone or everyone for 10 minutes if that's enough time for you, in order to make sure that your phone is visible to others. If that doesn't help, another thing that you can do is in the main menu over here of QuickShare, you can tap on Receive. And once you are here, your visibility is set to everyone temporarily as long as you stay on this screen in this menu. So if someone tries to send you something, you can just go to this QuickShare menu over here, to this Receive section, and then you should be detectable on other devices. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.